to use it though.
Oh, okay. So, all right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And as promised, Mrs VacLab, not me, is going to run this on our family room rug. Very heavy wear, to be sure. Rosie might give us some periodic help. She's not familiar with how to use this. There is no trigger to squeeze. So all you do is turn it on, right, with the red button, and then you do the handle release. But when you decide you want to do dry only, you have the magic dry only button you push, and then the wash dry that flips back and forth with a little light just stays on dry. So we pulled out the hose from the stairs that we just did, push that back in, make sure that's in good shape. Okay, I think we're ready to go.
Got my helper. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
You want to hold the cord? Watch out.
Ah, you can get underneath stuff. Amazing. Oh, where are you going? Oh, over there? Oh, okay. All right.
I gotta do it first. There we go.
Okay. Oh, you go that way. All right. Footprint.
Footprints on the
Footprint.
carpet. Oh, man. We're not getting much.
Nope. That's about as good as it'll dry. That air whooshing noise you hear is the exhaust vent of the motor that helps dry the carpet. It's at the rear of the machine. It's kind of funny to hear that. And let's see, how wet are we? Oh, yeah, that's medium wet. That's my hand. However, we are, what is it, about 45% relative humidity. So if I turn the fan on, let's see here. This one, here we go. The first position I think will be high, and that will aid in drying. So I'm gonna guess something like this will be mostly dry in maybe 90 minutes, and it'll be completely dry in about 3 hours, maybe 4 tops. And as far as I know, it's still being sold new. So what do you think of it? And if you can remember our more than 20-year-old Steamvac Widepath, how do you think it compares?
How do I remember it? I don't. I mean, it's an easy unit to use. Easy to push, pull, I mean, a little bit heavy on the weight when this is all full of water, but it's not horrible. But it's fairly easy to use, and I don't have to sit there and squeeze the trigger the whole time.
Yeah, so it kind of drives a little more like a vacuum cleaner rather than a semi-professional carpet washer.
Push and go.
Yeah,
That's it.
I imagine that's why so many people like this. So, as I mentioned before in the previous video, the motor bearings are maybe 80% gone, something like that. So at some point in time, I guess I'll have to dig in there and replace the bearings. But for right now, still holding on. So don't forget, there's the pickup. It looks a little dark, medium dark. It's not black though. Don't forget to absolutely clean everything out and then let everything dry. And make sure that you check the bearings on either side for buildup and whatnot. And to check to see if they're seized, because it was in terrible shape when I acquired this machine. But Mrs. VacLab is the one that's responsible for finding it. So, and I still haven't had a chance to use this yet in regular carpet wash mode. I did stair mode, but that's about it. All right, let's do the dump. Let's do the water dump.
Oh.
See if she knows how to take this thing apart. Ooh, that was tough.
That was hard.
Yep, that was tough. All right. There's the hose I got for $2, not the attachment, just the hose. Rather than paying full price, which is it's expensive. Yeah, that's clamp. All right, you're getting it. You're getting it.
Come on, give me a challenge here,
All right.
Mr. VacLab.
And you can reverse rinse this from the other side. It's not really. Look at that. There's not much there that picked up. Just a tiny bit. Give everything a good rinse. And then dry everything out for 24 hours or however long it takes.
And how gross is the water?
Now, I had pre-vacuumed the carpet, by the way, for anybody screaming, jumping up and down, saying, did you pre-vacuum? About a day and a half ago. So it was pretty clean to begin with, obviously, because you don't see a whole bunch of hair and whatnot in there. It just was dirty water. So if you use one of these machines and you're pulling up, I mean, handfuls of gunk, and there's stuff just everywhere, you need to pre-vacuum, please. You will clog these machines. These machines are water extractors. They are not vacuum cleaners. So many people think they do both, and they do not. We'll take any remainder fluid, and finally, after several years, I used all of this bottle up. This one's empty. Let's go in the trash, and I'm using the red bottle now, which is the, I don't know, extra, super, triple, mega, whatever it is from Hoover.
Okay.
It'll take this forever to go through any of this stuff. All right, we're going to go ahead and leave it here. You've probably seen the cleanup of this machine in another video somewhere. So thanks for watching, and please thanks Mrs. Lab for helping out.
Bye.
Bye.